How many of you were here during September 11? Right. So majority you were not here. That's when the confident Muslim was tested. You were not here. I was actually I was in labor and delivery that day. And I remember I looked at the screen and I was like, and then the nurse looked at me and says, Dr. Yunus, do you know what happened? And I was looking and the second plane hit the tower. Tell us, and everybody remember this, what we went through. And then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tested us. Be confident. Be sure. Be like Sayyidah Hajr. Women and brothers and men. When Sayyidina Ibrahim left her alone in the middle of nowhere with a baby, Ismail, when they were waiting for him for years, and he couldn't even look back because he was walking, he was moving, because Allah told him leave. And she says, you're leaving us here? Are you leaving us here? No answer. Are you leaving us here? Basically, death penalty. And he didn't answer 3 times. Finally, the confident Muslimah. She asked the famous question, Allahu amaraka? Did Allah order you? Did Allah order you? And he said, yes. Allah, by Allah is Allah? He said, yes. She said, go. Allah will never let us down. That's the confident Muslimah. That's the confident Muslim. I need this. The best way to get there, one is dua. Ask Allah. We need to ask Allah for dunya, but let's make akhirah. And Islam is also part of my dua. Ya Allah, Anta al-Qawi qawini. Ya Allah, you are the strong. Make me strong and keep me strong. Ya Allah, teach me how to become strong. When you go first day in college, as you are entering, Ya Allah, teach me how to say the right thing, do the right thing, act the right thing. First day in your work, and your name is Muhammad. Don't change it and make it more. No. It's Muhammad, alayhi salatu wassalam. And be confident and teach them who is he without being arrogant. So dua, and keep asking Allah to keep you going. And number 2, learn about the Qawi, the Aziz, Al-Jabbar, the one who is going to give you everything and anything you want in the right time that he knows. 2, 3, don't give up. We all will fail. We will have these moments when we will be afraid, we'll be weak. That's fine. But get up and keep going and help each other. That's the last one. Help each other. Each one. Help each other to be the confident Muslim. It's not impossible. We have many examples before us, recently, even now among us.